4x4 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1984 Chevrolet K20. Call it kind of a pewter and navy blue two-tone combo. Riding on aftermarket Nitto tires. It was race line alloy wheels. Underneath the hood, 6.5 liter turbo diesel that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC components seem to be there. We've not had the compressor kicking on and off, FYI. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Let you get a good look at that. Also, I have a 3M protective coating, and that has kind of checked a little bit as far as the clear. It's not in the paint that appears to be in the 3M coating. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us too, 507-386-1726. This was a North Dakota truck. Now, it could use a little TLC. There are some spots, and I have them in the pictures too. Cab corners, kind of some of your usual spots. There's a little bit of rust. So drive it the way it is, or if you want to take it to the next level, we'll need a little bit of TLC. Spot back here, some stuff like this. Kind of your usual on this body style pickup and age. It does have a spray-in bed liner. There's a full-size spare back here, and also the fan shroud. As you can see, fifth wheel hitch. Need to pull anything with it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Again, here's a couple more of those spots. There and around, and again, you can see those in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Owner has this truck priced to sell, is taking that into consideration. Phone number once again, 507-386-1726. 342 rear gears in this particular truck. Odometer reads 73,084, I believe it was. That is believed to be original. Once the truck becomes a certain age, though, it doesn't stick with the title or stay on the title. There's a clean title that will go with this. Carfax also is clean on it, does not indicate any accidents. All right, one thing I want to show you in here too. Let me hop up in here a second. Now, as far as the glow plugs, this button, if you can see that right there, so we're going to turn on the key. When I hit that button down below, you can see the glow plug light turns on. So we'll let that go on a second. We're going to crank her over. All right. Stereo system does work. There's an exhaust temp gauge down below. FYI, that was a cold start. I've not had this truck running today. It was pulled on the pad last night when I picked it up. But finishing the video this morning, the dash, yes, the pad is on there. There are cracks in it, and you can see those in the still pictures. As far as the seats, nice shape. It appears that they have been reupholstered and or put in out of a different truck. But blue does match nice, and again, fabric is in good shape. Headliner, nice shape. Let you hear it run. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay quick.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
when I get the camera up over there, the microphone's probably not going to pick up much that I'm saying, so I'm going to step back, walk up, just let you take a look at it, and won't be a whole lot of talking. All right, 1984 Chevrolet K20, 6.5-liter turbo diesel, 4x4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.